Hello, we want to find the radius, the volume, the change of the radius of a spherical balloon that increases at the rate of 2 centimeters per second. So we have to find the rate of change of the volume. This question is about application of derivatives. So how do we go about this? Fine. Now, what do? We are first of all going to take note of what we are given. The radius r of a spherical balloon increases at the rate of, so now at the rate of, that's the radius r, that is going to be what? dr over dt. The radius is increasing at the rate of, anything that has to do with rate means divided by time. Okay, so the rate of at which r increases with respect to time is 2 centimeters per second. I repeat, the radius r, so the r dt, that is change in r with respect to the time, as we are given in the question, that is the radius r increases at the rate of this. So this is okay. Now the question now says find the rate of change of the volume. So we want to find the rate of v dt, the volume. You use v to represent the volume. We don't know the rate at which the volume changes. So what we just need to do is, since we want to find the v dt, we are going to apply what? Chain rule. And so what is chain rule there? We are given the r dt already. Fine. What are we going to use to multiply the r dt? That we are going to get the v dt. Okay, that's what we are going to think of now. Now, first of all, that the v must be what? Must be here all over what? The r. So that when you cross, you cancel the r will cancel the r, you will left it dv dt. So you can see how I got my dv dr now, because we are given the r dt and we are looking for dv dt. Now, just by saying that you divide this by this, so you get dv dr, because the t will cancel out. That's just the method, that's the logic. So now, what's our dv dr? Recall, the volume of a sphere is 4 all over 3 pi r cubed. That's the formula for the volume of a sphere. You must know that one offhand. Okay, so let's clean this. Let's clean this so that we're able to use the board well. Okay, let's clean it. Okay, so now the question, the v dt now, the v dr, because we want to look for the v dr, the r will now be what? We want to differentiate v with respect to r. So 3 is multiplying 4 over 3. 4 over 3 times 3. Then pi is a constant. Then r, we subtract 1 from that cube. You have to square. So 3 cancel 3 here. So you have what? The v, the r will be what? 4 pi r squared. Fine. Okay. So now we have gotten what? And don't forget when r is 3. Okay. We have gotten what? dv dr. Therefore, the v dt from the formula will now be equal to the r dt, which is what? 2 centimeters per second, multiplied by the v dr, 4 pi r squared. Okay? So what next now? What next? When you multiply this, you have what? It's just like, say, 2 centimeters over s, over, times 4 pi r squared. And when r is 3, we are told that r is 3 according to the question. So that means what? You go to what? 3 squared. Okay? So that will give us what? That give us what? That give us what? So now we are going to have 2 times 4, 8, times pi, times 9, centimeter here. Remember, this dv dr volume with respect to r, that is cube. Okay, so we're going to have what? 9 times pi times all over what? We have multiplied everything, centimeter cube per second, because the the unit of volume is centimeter cube, the time is seconds. So that's going to what? 72 pi centimeter cube per second. So that's the answer. Bye.